am the net worth chick. I am all about the Benjamins, the dineros, the dollars, the loot, whatever you call your money. Thank you for checking out my channel. Here you will find out how to increase your net worth from repairing your credit to how to make more money. Please subscribe so that you won't miss a thing. Now let's get to it. How to better your credit mix. First of all, I want to give you an example of how bad credit costs us money. If you purchase a car for $25,000 and your interest rate is 3%, your monthly payment for 60 months will be $445. If you purchase that same car and your interest rate is 15%, your monthly payment will be $600 over 60 months. That is an extra $9,300 that you will pay in interest over the life of the loan. Okay, so that's crazy, right? I think so too. Your credit mix makes up 10% of your credit score. So you want to have a good mix because this will help your credit score increase. Some people say, well, I paid all my bills on time. I don't have anything derogatory on my credit. What's going on with my credit? Why my credit score not going up? Your credit score may not be going up because you do not have a good credit mix. Okay, so let's talk about bad credit again. We already know from the example that I gave that it costs you money. It can also cost you your dream job because potential employers check credit too. You pay more for cars, you pay more for houses, your credit interest rates are higher because you have bad credit. So let's fight for our families and for ourselves to get our credit golden. And a golden score is 700 or above. So what is exactly a credit mix? A credit mix is when you have different types of credit on your credit report. You need revolving credit, which are credit cards, and you also need installment debt, which are mortgages, car loans, personal loans. Okay, so how do you get revolving debt with bad credit? Well, first let's talk about the different types of revolving debt because there are two. There are credit cards that you can get from the bank, and there are credit cards that you can get from a retailer. So the credit reports like to see that you have both. So first thing you want to do is you want to get secured credit cards from the bank. That will turn into unsecured credit cards over time because remember, we don't just want to get credit, but we want to get credit that we will potentially keep forever. So some of the companies that offer a secured credit card that changes into unsecured credit cards is Discover, Capital One, and your different credit unions. Also, you want to find companies that will offer credit to people that have bad credit. Different retailers. You can search the internet for these companies, or you can save yourself some time and sign up for Credit Secrets. The link is below. What Credit Secrets does is that they have people that are always searching for these companies that will allow people with lower credit scores to have credit so that they can build up their credit. Again, the link is below. So that covers bank revolving credit, and it covers retail credit cards. The next thing you want to do is you want to get installment debt. Installment debt is a debt that you pay every month, but it's paying down the principal. So those are your car notes, your mortgage notes, and your personal loans. Well, there's a company called Self Lender that has a program where you pay yourself for 1 year or 2 years. And at the end of the term, all the money that you have paid is in a savings account, and you will get that money back less the fee that Self Lender charges. Self-lender reports to all 3 credit bureaus, so it is a perfect way to get your credit score up and to save some money. The link is below. Please check it out for more information. Okay, this is how you get a balanced credit mix on your credit reports. Remember, bad credit does cost us money, so we want to get our credit scores golden, 700 and above. And if you are looking to make a home purchase in the next year, you don't want to increase your debt too much. Remember that you have to have a low to debt income ratio. So see my video on the 4 things that you need to purchase a home, and it will explain that to you. Please subscribe and share this video and put your questions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching the video.